Hi, this is a quick video to show you how to name PDF files when students import to Notability and they're exporting from Schoology. So what you see up on the screen right now is my Schoology course, and I'm going to tap into one of my PDF files that I have here to demonstrate. You can see I'll tap on View Attachments. This is as if a student is working on this in their iPad, on their iPad. So here's a file. I'm going to navigate up to the top right-hand corner to export this from Schoology. There we go. And I'm going to bring it into Notability. Now, one of the hiccups is that Notability is, with its most recent update, is changing the name system. So this doesn't look anything like I had named it. So just ask students as they're creating the note, they have a chance to rename it right from the beginning. So I might just call this, Fall of Rome, because it's part of my social studies class, and that is one way to do it. I'll click done and then back, and now you can see that the Fall of Rome is now the new title compared to this old transfer here. And I'm going to put it in a subject or a folder that I want. So I'm going to click import. Now, if a student didn't do that, they could also go in and rename a file. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take from my text tool. So if my pencil was turned on, I'm just going to make sure to click on my pencil here at the top so it's shaded blue in Notability. And I'm going to tap my finger on the title there, and I could see that Fall of Rome has been highlighted. And if I want to, extend that to a particular time, I could do it like that, or whatever it is that I want to change. So there's two ways to change the names of a file. It is different. Previously, Schoology and Notability talked a little bit nicer. However, when contacting Schoology for an update about that, it probably won't come out until their next version update. So hang in there until then. For now, that's how students should be directed to rename their files in Notability. Thanks. I hope this helps.